Hey everyone, so picked up a grinder today, a bench grinder for 25 bucks. And I couldn't even get her down on it. I thought 25 bucks? I mean, what can you get for $25? It's an 8-inch workforce bench grinder with lights. It's got the little lights up in here. It's got the guards. One's just a cleaner brush and the other one's stone. So I thought for 25 bucks I can't really go wrong. So will it work? $25 bench grinder, will it work? I got it plugged into my 20 amp outlet. I checked to make sure that these are not loose, because they didn't tell me anything about it. They actually dropped it off at my house for me for 25, so you really can't go wrong for that. But so I got her plugged in. Let's hit the button and see what she does. Oh, sounds good. Keep going. How you turn on the light? Must be another switch for that. It's working. 25 bucks. I thought for 25 I might have got stunk. Maybe the bulbs are blown out. I bet you that's what's wrong. Yeah, it's probably the bulbs are blown out, I would imagine. Because I don't see anywhere else that the bulbs would come on. If somebody knows, leave me a comment in the comments, but I think it should be all working off that switch. If they're loose. They're not loose, so maybe they're just old and gummy. Oh well, if it's just a bulb, that's no big deal. Probably won't even use them anyway, really. She's shutting down okay. No smoke. So this is the thing, guys. I wanted to mention this. Like, you can get these things for like 25 bucks. I've already got a grinder. I don't mind my mess. So I've got a grinder over here. It's a newer grinder. I don't use it that often, but it's nice to have a second one kicking around. And I mean, for $25 you can't go wrong. You know, if I decide a year down the road I don't want it, I can sell it for probably 50. So double the money. You know, don't go out and buy new stuff. You can get stuff cheap. If just make a list of what you're looking for. I found this on Facebook Marketplace. 25 bucks. Can't go wrong. You know. Let's try it again. Let's see if I can try to stop it. See how big it is. What can you get? What do we got here? 8-inch diameter, 8-inch diameter, 3/4 width, 1/2-inch bore, heavy duty, 120 volt, 5 amp. So looks like there was a date on it. I'm sure that date is old. If I can can zoom in to see the date. It looks like 1998. 03, 05, 98. The camera might pick it up better. So 1998, hey, still works good. Things are probably even built better back then than they are now. So like I was saying, you know, you get a good deal on that. This is something else I picked up. It's a eliminator by Motorcraft eliminator, 2 amp trickle charge battery smart charger for your batteries. You know, I looked these up on Canadian Tire website where they sell them. $57. I think it's on sale right now. $57 on Canadian Tire website. 15 bucks. And it comes with all the adapters. It's like brand new in the box. I don't even think the guy used it. It's got all the adapters. $15. So why pay retail on tools? You know, when you can get, just make a list of stuff. Again, I got this on Facebook Marketplace. 15 bucks. Can't go wrong. You know, I mean, normally in the box for 15 bucks, it's going to work. You know, like especially when they've taken care of it and they still have the original box. Something like this, I mean, you could get skunked on it, but, you know, if you want, go there, tell them you'll give them 25, ask them if they can plug it in for you. I've had that with fridges. You know, anytime I'm selling a fridge, like if I ever have a little fridge I'm selling, I always have it running for the person when they come to view it. Because then there's no discrepancy. Hey, it worked when it left. If you put it on its side, like I told you not to put it on its side, always tell somebody when they're buying a fridge, never put it on the side. Or if they do, to transport it, if they do put it on the side, make sure that they sit it upright, don't plug it in for at least 24 to 48 hours. So that all the oil will drain back down into the compressor. But, you know, you can test these out. 25 bucks. I couldn't even get them down on that for that. I mean, 25 for that, 15 for that. I'm going tomorrow to pick up some booster cables for their 12 footers, 4 gauge, nice clamps, 20 bucks. Can't even get them down. I mean, I wouldn't want to insult the guy. So this is what you can pick up for cheap. You know, don't go out and buy brand new tools. Anyway, guys, I hope this is a helpful video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a like, thumbs up. Helps out the channel. Cheers for now, guys.